Hello, how are you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a flapping bird like this. First of all, take a square page, turn it roundways, and then fold it like this. When you have folded like this, open it and then fold it again on the other side like this. Then you fold this like this. You fold a bit like this. Made a base of, it is called the bird base. If you want to know, you fold like this and then turn it sideways, and then from here you get approximately here. Open it and then fold it like this. Then turn the page, do the same thing on the other side, and then turn the page like this and do the same thing like this. When you have done like this, fold the page like this, do the same on the other side, and pull the flaps open like this. When you have opened the flaps, turn this side of the page here. Do the same on the other side. Like this. And when you have done that, fold fold this open so that it will make the the bird's head. Now it has made the bird's head. If you want to make it fly, you just open the flaps and move the head and bird like this. And hey presto, your bird is now finished. Subscribe please for more for origami videos. Goodbye.